Hello guys, this indicator is going to help you to pass any kind of profit account and also help you to make your first $100,000 in forex trading. This video just like a backup video for my previous my recent previous video. I believe I posted that video yesterday. So what's the strategy behind this indicator? The strategy behind this indicator is called the trend divergence. This indicator is a trend based strategy. You understand? It's a trend-based strategy, and it is called the trend divergence indicator. And this is an example number one. Whenever the market is trading down, and your indicator in the one is also trending down, but eventually it disrespect the trend and trade up a little bit. That is to tell you divergence has happened. So you just look for your entry. I will normally look for a little trend break, then from there I can just take my sell here and my stop loss. That's example number one. This is an example number two from the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, from the 5 minutes time frame. This is an example number three also on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's on the 15-minute time frame. You can see it's very accurate. You can pass any challenge with this indicator and also make your first $100,000 in the financial market. This example number, you can see how accurate this indicator is. This is it. You can see how accurate it is. It works on every currency pair and any time frame. Get this indicator and backtest it for yourself. This indicator is, I'm going to drop a link on the description on how, as you can see, it's also happening. This is another example right here, and this another one right here. It's a very accurate indicator, and I'm going to drop to get this in. It is a premium indicator, and to get it, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. Just click on the link and it will take you to where you can get the settings of this indicator. And please guys, like this video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to make more video for you. Get this indicator. It is an assure that you are going to pass any profit account, and you can make your first $100,000 in the financial market. See you in the next video guys. Thank you for supporting Forex Top Notch. Thank you for supporting Forex Top Notch. Thank you guys.